first one of the day. This one I have been dreading. Got dropped off the weekend. It's been stored up for some time. So she's in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. See if we can spruce her up a bit. Lots of chrome, lots of polishing needs sorting out. We'll get this motor all cleaned up. We'll get some corrosion protection on it afterwards, because I'm sure it's probably going to sit around for a bit longer. See if we can get as much of this rust off as possible. Some of it has pitted the chrome, but a lot of it should be able to be polished up. See if we can do something with these fork legs. He did have these wheels polished as they were in quite a state. It's a shame he didn't get those fork legs done at the same time, but we'll see what we can do. The rest of it's all going to get polished, get all this cleaned up. Like I said, get a good dose of corrosion protection on it. We will do a bit of machine polishing on this gorgeous paint job. See if we can get a bit of shine back into that. Got a few marks here and there. See if we can remove those. Get it looking like it should. Good old Metallica. Let's get cracking. Okay, 4 hours in on this Harley Trike. I have scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. I've managed to get a lot of the surface rust off. I've got some special chemicals, special sponges, without scratching the chrome as much as possible. We have been able to remove quite a bit of the surface rust. Now I'm polishing it, buffing it 1-2 times, and then we'll spray on some XCP corrosion protection. Then I'll give it one last polish. Just had a look at this tank. Look at that. It's I don't know what was on it previously, but I've just done a 2-stage polish on that. Look at the gloss on that. We'll get all that done as well. Once we've applied the XCP, we'll give this paintwork all a good 2-stage polish, and we will seal it with a bit of the signature 4K ceramic, just to keep this paint job looking its finest. There you go. 7 hours later, this Harley Trike has been fully trotted. Oh my God, what a transformation on this. Managed to remove most all that surface rust, pitting, all the floorboards, everything that was rusty on this has been scrubbed and polished. Managed to remove most of it. Quite impressed, to be honest. Polished up the fork legs. Everything's had a little XCP. Just did a 2-3 stage polish on this gorgeous paint job. Come up a right treat. Like I said, we XCP'd all up underneath the seat, all the frame. Everything's been polished 2, 3, 4 times. What a transformation. Something that has been sitting around for years. Now it looks like it just rolled out of the showroom. Every little speck of chrome I've managed to remove. The corrosion, even polished up those lovely fork legs. All done. 7 hours. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963. Open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed.